To make the lotus, first you're going to get some crepe paper. This one's yellow. And I'm going to cut a 1 inch by 4.5 inch section. Next, I'm going to stretch out the section. So you want the grain of the paper to be this way. You don't want the grain of the paper this way. Next, you're going to fold it in half and then fold it in half again. And then you're going to take your scissors and cut little pointy pieces. Unroll it and then crinkle up the pointy pieces. Take your wire and glue the crepe paper onto the wire. Then I'm going to roll it up. You want to roll it up a little bit loosely. You have a large and a small petal. You want 6 of the small petals and 24 of the large petals. You want the grain of the paper to be on the long side, so you want the grain of the paper this way. So cut out 6 of these small petals. Now cut out 24 of the large petals. Now that you have all your petals cut out, you're going to color them. So take a piece of paper and a pastel. Scrap piece of paper towel. To get pastel, paper towel, and create an ombre effect on the petals. You're going to do this with all the petals. If you don't want to pastel the petals, you can always just leave it white. But now that you have all the petals pasteled, you're going to take them and you're going to stretch out the center to give it a nice cup shape. You're going to do this with all the petals. Now that you have all your petals cupped, you're going to take your smaller petals glue at the base, which is the white part of the petal, and you're going to stick 2 petals together. I'm going to stick on a third. You're going to stick on all the petals until you have a 3/4 circle. So it's about 3/4 of a circle. You're then going to take your wire piece, you're going to stick the wire, the base of the flower, into the bottom. You're going to glue it on. Now you're going to take your larger petals, you're going to glue them in between the smaller petals. So this is what it looks like so far. So now you're going to repeat what you just did. You're going to keep sticking petals in between the layer before it. So I like to count out 6 petals. Just so I don't lose track of where I am. Next, take your lily pad and some green and some red. Mix them together. And you're going to create lines out from the center. And take your red, and you're going to go along the edge. Next, you're going to add some shape. You're going to fold it along the lines you created. And then take a pair of scissors and curl the outside down. And your crepe paper lotus is done. I like to create a circle on the base of the flower, cut off a little bit extra, and then slide it underneath the lily pad. If you like this crepe paper lotus tutorial, be sure to subscribe below. You'll be updated with more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.